we're starting off in Swanley Village on this one. I thought I'd do them little chunks. I'm trying to do them 10 or 11 minutes long, the rides, because then my GoPro didn't split the files. It gets about 2.1 gigabyte and then it'll split it to another file. And then I gotta mess about and join them all together. So I thought, this time I won't. Now right up to Swanley, I'm going to quick drive down the bypass. And so I put some music, I think I put some music on this one because I've got about 4 now I'm going to be putting on. And they're all chatting, the other ones. Say Mr. Fish. Chronicles of Mr. Fish has got me chatting. He's a good lad, he never stops, all through his videos, over 10-15 minutes, and he never stops talking. I don't know how he does it. So, yes, I am going to be quiet now, and you can listen to some beaty stuff that I've got at home. See? Might be no codger, but I got some beaty stuff at home to do some diggy. That's silly that, isn't it? Strutting me stuff, doing me moves. Right, I'm quiet now. Be quiet, Michael. down. Get over this bump on this hill and I'm going to say goodbye to you. Hope you enjoy the videos. Please like and subscribe. Please subscribe if you can. Build up the customer base. Man, yes. Taddy bye.